Waterfalls. They captivate our imagination with their majestic beauty and sheer power, drawing us into a mesmerizing dance of cascading water. These natural wonders are formed through a combination of geological processes, showcasing the intricate relationship between water, rock, and time. Waterfalls are typically created when a river or stream flows over a cliff, ridge, or steep slope, leading to a sudden drop in elevation. As the water plunges downward, it erodes the underlying rock, carving out a deep gorge or canyon over time. This erosion process is often accelerated by factors such as the type of rock, the volume of water, and the force of gravity. Waterfalls hold immense significance for both humans and animals, serving as vital sources of life, inspiration, and ecological balance. For humans, waterfalls have long been revered for their beauty and spiritual significance. They often serve as iconic landmarks, drawing tourists and adventurers from far and wide to witness their awe-inspiring splendor. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, waterfalls also play crucial roles in supplying fresh water, supporting biodiversity, and regulating ecosystems. Many communities rely on waterfalls for hydroelectric power generation, irrigation, and drinking water, highlighting their importance for human livelihoods and economic development. In addition to their practical utility, waterfalls provide essential habitats for a diverse array of plant and animal species. The mist and spray generated by waterfalls create microclimates that support unique ecosystems, including specialized plant communities and rare species adapted to moisture-rich environments. Fish species such as salmon and trout rely on waterfalls for migration, spawning, and habitat connectivity, contributing to the ecological health of rivers and streams. Birds, insects, and other wildlife also depend on waterfalls for food, shelter, and breeding sites, making them indispensable components of healthy ecosystems. Despite their ecological importance, waterfalls are not immune to human activities and environmental threats. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change pose significant risks to waterfall ecosystems, disrupting natural processes and degrading water quality. Increased sedimentation from land clearing and agriculture can smother aquatic habitats and impair fish migration routes, while pollution from industrial runoff and wastewater discharge can contaminate water sources and harm aquatic life. Climate change exacerbates these threats by altering rainfall patterns, reducing water flow, and exacerbating erosion, leading to the loss of habitat and biodiversity. Furthermore, waterfalls are not immune to natural processes that can cause them to dry up or disappear altogether. Factors such as drought, geological shifts, and changes in hydrology can alter the flow of water and reshape the landscape, leading to the formation of new waterfalls or the disappearance of existing ones. Human activities such as dam construction and water diversion can also impact waterfall dynamics by altering river flow and sediment transport, resulting in habitat fragmentation and ecological disruption. Waterfalls have long captured the human imagination, inspiring artists, poets, and explorers with their timeless allure. Their thunderous roar and ethereal beauty evoke a sense of wonder and awe, inviting us to contemplate the mysteries of nature and our place within it. Throughout history, waterfalls have been celebrated in myth, legend, and folklore, symbolizing themes of power, transformation, and spiritual renewal. From the majestic cascades of Niagara Falls to the remote wilderness of Angel Falls, these natural wonders continue to mesmerize and enchant us with their sheer grandeur and magnificence. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, waterfalls also hold scientific significance as natural laboratories for studying geological processes and landscape evolution. Geologists study waterfalls to understand how water shapes the Earth's surface over time, carving out valleys, canyons, and gorges through the relentless force of erosion. By analyzing the structure and composition of waterfall formations, researchers gain insights into the underlying geology of a region, including the types of rock, the history of tectonic activity, and the forces that shape landscapes. Waterfalls are not static features but dynamic and ever-changing landscapes that respond to natural and human-induced factors. Their appearance, flow rate, and surroundings can vary dramatically depending on seasonal changes, weather patterns, and environmental conditions. During periods of heavy rainfall or snowmelt, waterfalls can swell to magnificent proportions, cascading down with immense force and volume. Conversely, during dry seasons or droughts, waterfalls may dwindle to a mere trickle or even cease flowing altogether, highlighting the delicate balance of water and climate in shaping their existence. Waterfalls are not only remarkable geological formations, but also dynamic ecosystems teeming with life. The mist and spray generated by cascading water create microclimates that support a rich diversity of plant and animal species. Mosses, ferns, and other moisture-loving plants thrive in the cool, humid environment around waterfalls, forming lush greenery that blankets the surrounding rocks and cliffs. These vegetation communities provide habitat and food for a variety of insects, birds, and small mammals, contributing to the overall biodiversity of waterfall ecosystems. One of the most fascinating aspects of waterfalls is their ability to shape the landscape over time through the erosive power of water. As water cascades over rock surfaces, it wears away at the underlying rock, carving out intricate channels, plunge pools, and sculpted features. Over millions of years, waterfalls can create deep gorges, canyons, and valleys, transforming the terrain and leaving behind geological wonders that bear witness to the Earth's tumultuous history. Waterfalls are not only places of natural beauty, but also havens for recreational activities and outdoor adventure. Hikers, photographers, and nature enthusiasts flock to waterfalls to experience their awe-inspiring splendor firsthand, immersing themselves in the sights, sounds, and sensations of the natural world. Many waterfalls are located within national parks, protected areas, and wilderness reserves, providing opportunities for visitors to explore and connect with nature in a pristine and unspoiled setting. In addition to their recreational appeal, waterfalls also offer valuable educational opportunities for learning about ecology, geology, and environmental science. Interpretive trails, visitor centers, and guided tours provide insights into the geological processes that shape waterfalls, the ecological importance of waterfall ecosystems, and the conservation challenges they face. By fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of waterfalls, these educational initiatives help raise awareness about the need to protect and preserve these natural treasures for future generations. Waterfalls have inspired countless works of art, literature, and music throughout history, serving as muse and metaphor for creative expression. Painters, poets, and composers have drawn inspiration from the mesmerizing beauty and raw power of waterfalls, capturing their essence in masterpieces that evoke the sublime and transcendent. From romantic landscapes to epic tales of adventure, waterfalls continue to fuel the imagination and stir the soul with their timeless allure and universal appeal. Waterfalls are not only symbols of natural beauty and wonder, but also symbols of resilience and adaptability in the face of environmental change. Despite the threats posed by human activities and climate change, waterfalls continue to endure as enduring symbols of the Earth's enduring power and vitality. By embracing the lessons of waterfalls, resilience, interconnectedness, and reverence for the natural world, we can work together to ensure their protection and preservation for generations to come. Waterfalls are not static features, but dynamic and ever-changing landscapes that respond to natural and human-induced factors. Their appearance, flow rate, and surroundings can vary dramatically depending on seasonal changes, weather patterns, and environmental conditions. During periods of heavy rainfall or snowmelt, waterfalls can swell to magnificent proportions, cascading down with immense force and volume. Conversely, during dry seasons or droughts, waterfalls may dwindle to a mere trickle or even cease flowing altogether, highlighting the delicate balance of water and climate in shaping their existence. In addition to their ecological and scientific importance, waterfalls also hold cultural significance as sacred sites, pilgrimage destinations, and symbols of national identity. Many indigenous cultures and indigenous peoples around the world revere waterfalls as sacred places imbued with spiritual power and cultural significance. These sites often serve as gathering places for ceremonies, rituals, and communal celebrations, fostering a deep connection between people and the natural world. In some cultures, Waterfalls are associated with deities, spirits, or ancestral guardians, embodying the sacredness of the land and its relationship to human existence. Waterfalls play a crucial role in the hydrological cycle, serving as natural regulators of water flow and contributing to the distribution and availability of freshwater resources. As water cascades over the edge of a waterfall, it undergoes aeration and oxygenation, enriching it with vital nutrients and gases that support aquatic life downstream. This oxygenation process is essential for maintaining water quality and sustaining healthy ecosystems in rivers, lakes, and wetlands. Additionally, waterfalls help to disperse sediment and nutrients downstream, replenishing fertile soils and supporting plant growth in riparian zones. From a scientific perspective, waterfalls offer valuable insights into the processes of erosion, sediment transport, and landscape evolution. By studying the formation and morphology of waterfalls, geologists can decipher the geological history of a region, including the types of rock, the intensity of tectonic activity, and the forces that shape landscapes over time. Waterfalls also provide opportunities for researchers to investigate the dynamics of river systems, including the effects of water flow, turbulence, and sediment transport on channel morphology and habitat diversity. By unraveling the secrets of waterfalls, scientists gain a deeper understanding of the Earth's natural processes and the interconnectedness of its geophysical systems. Next time you see a waterfall, take a moment to pause and immerse yourself in its mesmerizing beauty, letting the thunderous roar and cascading spray awaken your senses and nourish your soul.